Take a ride in the 2018 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood, Decatur.